Hi, I am Sarwar. Today I am going to show you how to integrate contact form 7 to Zoho campaign. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. At first you have to install CF7 to Zoho campaign and the contact form 7 plugin. I have already installed both plugin. So at first go to CF7 and Zoho campaign integration and create integration. Now you have to select a form. I have already created a form contact, so click on it and click on next button. So give a data center. My data center is zoho.com, and you can see here there is no data in my Zoho campaign contact list. So go back to WordPress dashboard and choose the data center. My data center is zoho.com, so I choose zoho.com. Now click on Zoho API console. Add client, server based application. Give here a client name and copy the homepage URL and paste it here. Again copy the authorized redirect URIs and paste it here. Then click on create button. Now copy the client ID and client secret both and paste it here. Now click on authorize button. Accept the permission. Authorize is successful. Now click on next button. Choose a list. I have already created a list, Sarwar Jahan, so click on it. Now select map fields, Zoho fields, and here is Zoho fields and form fields. Fill up the fields. Here is some advanced features, conditional logics. You can add here. You can use it also, but I don't need it. So click on next button and finish and save it. So my data integration is complete. So go to the page and fill up the form. Give here a name, email, subject, and submit it. Form fill up is successful. So go back to integration and click on action button, and you can and then go to timeline. You can see the form fill up is successful, and here is the result. And you can see when the form is filled up, date and time. So let's go back to Zoho campaign and go there and refresh the page. Here you can see the integration is complete. I can show the data is available here. So thanks for watching this video and goodbye.